Today, I'm going to walk you through how to download Adobe InDesign on your PC or Mac for free. First, click the link in the description below to head over to Adobe's official website. Once you're there, hit the free trial button. You'll want to select the business plan, which gives you a 14-day free trial. Plenty of time to explore all the amazing design tools InDesign has to offer. From there, click Continue and enter your email address. Hit Continue again, and you'll be prompted to fill in your personal details and payment information. Adobe won't charge you until the 14-day trial ends, and you can cancel anytime before that if you decide it's not for you. Once you've completed the form, click Agree and subscribe to move forward. Next, you'll need to create a secure password for your new Adobe account. After that, Adobe will prompt you to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Go ahead and install it, then log in using the same email address you just signed up with. Once Creative Cloud is up and running, navigate to the Apps tab, find Adobe InDesign, and click Install. That's it. In just a few steps, you'll have Adobe InDesign installed and ready to use. Plus, you'll also get access to all the other incredible tools included in the Creative Cloud Pro suite. If you're ready to give it a try, click the link in the description to start your free trial of Adobe InDesign and the full Creative Cloud Pro suite today.